For those of you who don't know, I'm from Canada. I just got back home from a trip to Minneapolis about 48 hours ago, 2 days, and I'm absolutely hooked on these Bang drinks. I tried it for the first time when I was down there, and they're absolutely amazing. And don't even get me started on the Chick-fil-A. On a whole nother level. But I'm not doing an intro today. We're gonna hop into it. I'm gonna show you guys 2 hairstyles for fall. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so I guess I'm all out of my ocean spray, so I guess I'm going to be using this guy for today's video. Okay, so I haven't talked at all for this video, but I'm using way less product than the first time, and also when I'm applying it, I'm not really going to apply to the front. I don't want any product under kind of like the underside of my fringe here. I'm basically going to just apply it from the back here and work our way to the front. And you'll see I'm applying it in like a circular motion and kind of like clawing the hair forward because I really don't want any product under the fringe. You can get the product in the roots at the top here, but just definitely not at the front area here, because if you get in the front, your hair is going to want to push back up rather than kind of staying against your forehead. So I just wanted to kind of make that point as I'm about to apply the product, that I'm just going to apply it from the back and kind of work my way to the front without getting any on the underside of my fringe area. Alrighty, so that is the 2 hairstyles for today's video. Let me know what you guys thought. I also didn't go over my dimensions, so I gave you I can't speak. So I will go over those quick. On the sides, I probably got about a 1 at the bottom down here. As it gets to the top, it's probably close to, I'd say maybe like a 3. It doesn't really fade into the top. It kind of does towards the back here, but in like the front half of my hair, right around there, it is disconnected. So it's kind of blended in towards the back half of my head and along the back here, but not really at the front sides. The fringe here is about 1.5 inches or so. The back does get a little bit short. It's probably around 1 inch right at the back there, the crown. And then on the back, number 1 probably goes up to a number 3 around here. And then it kind of just blends into the top. So that's the measurements for my hair. I don't expect to see any in the comments because I just gave you them. So if you have watched this far, thank you so much. Click that like button if you guys did enjoy. I will have my Instagram linked in the bottom of this description, along with Ocean Clay right here, which is my go-to product, has been for the last probably 2 or 3 years now. If you liked either of the 2 hairstyles in today's video, let me know which one you liked in the comment section down below. And we're going to finish off with a bang. We'll see you guys in the next one. That was cringy as hell.